Alright, good morning. What is going on? Welcome back to a long awaited video. Yeah, it's been a minute really. I have just been doing family stuff. Summertime is usually a bad time to try and get out. It is what it is. Look, we're coming into the time now where I'm going to be getting back out sort of every week, doing a bit of pike fishing and taking it from there. Just a bit of an update on me. Obviously, you can see these bad boys behind me. They're taking over. So I've cut the guiding down, and in fact, I don't really know if I'm doing it very much anymore at all. I've just been making lures and dealing with the shop and so on, and a few other things as well, which have materialised in the past month or so, which will all come to light very, very soon. All exciting stuff, all fishing related as well, so you'll be glad to know. But anyway, you probably see by the title and the thumbnail, if I go down this route, we're going to do a bit of perch fishing today. We're going to head down to a place that I know quite well now, and we've been doing really well for some really nice perch actually out of it. But I'm being joined by a guy who started fishing with me there recently. Kim has been out a few times, and he's actually an ex-Premier League footballer, which is a bit nuts, really, when you think about it. So yeah, this guy, you call him Marc Wilson. Mark is huge fishing fanatic, really passionate about it, and it's quite nice to see. Of course, I'm a football fanatic, so it's a bit strange whenever we're fishing together and all I want to do is talk about football. All he wants to do is quiz me on fishing, which is a bit odd. But yeah, so he's going to be on the boat today. As I said, we're going to do a bit of perch fishing. He's mad keen after getting a big perch over here. I'm going to try and poke at him all day, get a bit of football trivia questions, whatever, and hopefully then we'll get a few nice fish as well. So hopefully you enjoy the video. Stick around, stay tuned. It's a bit of a drive, but yeah, on our way. Right, here we go. Starting off doing a bit of trolling first. I'm gonna go for a bit of perch on perch action. Salmo deep diver. I've also got a Savage Gear blade out the back as well. Not your standard sort of trolling lure, but we're going to give it a go because it does plenty of movement. Plan is cover ground, maybe find some feeding fish and then cast over them, but we'll see what happens. Right, so some of the lures we're going to be trolling here for the perch. Sort of the gravity twitch baits, deeper diving versions. A closer look. Same again, just slightly smaller ones. These are probably more than likely going to be the weapons of choice. And we've even got the sticklebait twitch. Maybe add a bit of a sinker onto that, but gravity cranks done quite well before on these in the past. I have lost quite a few of them. I don't have very many of them left, but they are usually quite good too. And yeah, and then we've got some of the bigger ones as well, obviously. Gravity crank, I think they're called. But yeah, so they're going to be the options. Give them a blast. Switching on the jig head now, going to do a bit of casting. Came across a nice shoal underneath the boat. Didn't have anything trolling. Just might not be active yet. Although there is a decent shoal underneath the boat now. Okay, finally. Mark's had a fish. We're 3 hours deep. First one. Oh, don't drop it. Alright. Okay, we'll give it another couple of casts here before moving.
That was right down on the bottom, like.
Yeah. You tried the drop shot, didn't you?
Yeah, I'm shy with the drop shot, like. Oh, that's another bite.
Yeah? Might be switching on.
I have a wee small red one of these here if you want.
Oh. secret weapons there. See when the fish do switch on though, these are phenomenal. Like, yeah, we've caught some really good fish on these. You know, the float. So they're always, obviously because you've got them on the drop shot, they're always sitting, you know, tail up towards the. Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Good fish?
I don't know. It's quite a light rod, so it's been a while from you used it, so don't think it's that big.
That's not bad. Not bad, Mark.
Ooh. First one, thankfully. There you go. Ned salamander, sort them out. Nice chunky one. One like this, only about 4 times the size, and I'll be happy.
Like, what is he thinking going for that wee tiny thing? Huh?
I was right taking the smaller net anyway.
Were you? I haven't got a real 100% clean look at them yet, like.
I'm not wasting much time. Once you get it in, like, you know,
No,
just get a quick measurement, because he's fought himself out there probably.
Yeah, you can.
Not unless he's massive, and we get a quick picture and a measure, you know.
Oh my goodness, are you serious?
Yeah. I'm surprised he hasn't bit you off, because that's right down his mouth.
He's tiny.
Yeah. He's lovely though.
Oh, beautiful fish.
Really nice markings on it. Yeah.
In?
Yeah.
Good fish?
Don't know. Don't think so. But it's a perch.
Looks like a perch.
Oh, it's definitely a perch. I just don't know what sort of size.
Not too bad. Nice perch.
Yeah, nicer than what we've been getting, which is nothing. Okay, dinner time maybe. Well, it is in round that time, isn't it?
That's way over it.
That's right, yeah. You just, I'll just fish for them up on the bank.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a good hit.
Yeah.
Ah,
See that structure there? It looks like it could hold like a good perch.
yeah. Why am I missing them?
Cannibal shad maybe?
I don't know why the boat's spinning this road. Like, I'm not trying to put you out of.
No, you did on.
Come up here beside me, sure.
We're right over at the top of this here.
Oh, there seems to be a few here about here. Could be.
Loads of fish here.
Yeah, if that's a perch, it's a good one.
Oh, that looks like fish.
Yeah, if this is perch, it's decent. I think it is, mate.
This looks like one.
That's a big perch.
Is it? Oh, good lad.
About time. About time.
Nice one, lad. Oh, that's quality.
Oh, it's good for good nice stamp.
Got you on camera as well.
Did you? Oh, he's checking me. Oh. It's full of beans, that one. Probably about, yeah, he's probably about 30. Right, okay. Nearly home time. It's been slow enough day for the perch, in all honesty. But we've came to a spot here that we've had a few before in the past. It is quite snaggy though, which is the only problem. Just like that. The last time I was here, did we not have
You had a nice fish here.
I had 2 or 3, and like 2 or 3 casts, didn't I? I reckon you had a few on that in here.
Think so?
Yeah. Or snag it. Yeah.
Again?
Yeah. That's a better one.
Another one?
Yeah. That's a really good fish. That's a really big. You might need the net here.
Really big?
Yeah.
The net?
Yeah.
Same with the base. Oh my goodness. Get you there.
Yeah.
Are you? Oh, I missed one as well.
Yeah. Few about. Don't think. It's nice mid-30 anyway. He got his own back.
Where's your measurement here?
Should be one in that box maybe down here, is it? I think it's down here. So that's what the big perch took. The salamander, Ned salamander. Seen it many times before in my videos. It's probably one of my favourite perch lures. Big fish bait. So Mark,
Yeah.
football. Who was it then you first signed for? Was it Portsmouth, you said?
Sorry, say that again, Sam?
Who was the first team you signed for at Portsmouth? What age were you when you went there? 15? I'd say that was a bit mad, like moving away when you're 15.
It was a big change of scenery, put it that way.
Yeah. What age were you when you signed your like proper professional contract?
As soon as I turned 18.
18, is that the way it works, yeah? How long were you at Portsmouth for?
I was only there until I was 21, Sam.
And then Stoke, was it?
Yeah.
Who was the manager of Stoke then when you went? And were you playing at the time the whole Rory Delap throw-in, all that carry on? Was he there when you were there? Yeah? Arm cannon. Many years in the Premiership were you in there then? 10 years, was it? Really? Many, do you know what your give or take? Do you many appearances in the Prem did you get? Yeah, some decent going, like, isn't it? Goodness knows how that's happened. Alright. I think that's time to call it quits. Both snags. Yeah, time to go home. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one.